Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an airport security checkpoint. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the airport security officers. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. At an American airport, what is the name of the rule for liquids in your bag? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
David, look at this line. It is so long.
It always looks long. It moves fast.
How long will it take?
Maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20.
I have not been on a plane for 6 years. I forgot everything.
It is easy. You only do 3 things.
3 things? Tell me.
1, you show your ID. 2, you put your things in a bin. 3, you walk through the scanner.
That is all?
That is all. The officers tell you what to do. Just listen to them.
Okay, 3 things. I can do that.
You will be fine. I fly every month.
I know. That is why I'm standing next to you.
What is in your bag today?
My phone, my book, my snacks, and a gift for Maria.
What kind of gift?
A jar of strawberry jam. She loves it. She cannot buy it in her city.
A jar? How big is it?
Not big, like this. It was $6.
Okay.
Why do you say, Is a jar a problem?
Maybe. We will see. But first, your water.
My water bottle? What is wrong with it?
It is full. You cannot take water through security.
Really? I bought it 10 minutes ago.
I know. Sorry. Water is not allowed.
Do I throw the bottle away?
No, do not throw the bottle away. Only throw the water away.
Just the water?
Yes, an empty bottle is fine. After security, you fill it again for free.
There is water after security?
Yes, near the gates. Every airport has a water machine now.
Oh, look at that trash can. It is full of bottles.
And most of them still have water inside.
What a waste.
Now you know. Empty yours here.
Okay. There, it's empty.
Good. Now put it in your bag.
Done. My first airport lesson today.
Good morning. ID, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Take off your hat, please.
Sure. Sorry about that.
Look at me, please.
Like this?
That is good. Thank you.
Do you want my boarding pass? It is on my phone.
No, I don't need your boarding pass.
Really? I always have it ready.
You don't need it here. I put your ID in this machine, and your flight comes up on my screen.
The machine knows my flight?
Yes, it shows your name and your flight for today.
That is new for me. Last year I showed my pass at this table.
Many airports use this machine now. Your ID is enough now.
So people can put their phone away.
Yes, but most people still hold it in their hand.
I did the same thing. Every time I forget.
It is fine. Everybody does it.
Is my name correct on your screen?
Yes, your name and your photo. Everything is correct.
Good.
And your flight is at 10:30, gate B12.
Wow, you know more about my day than I do.
The machine knows. I only read it.
That is a good job.
Are you traveling alone today?
No, my friend is with me. She is right behind me.
Okay, please wait for her after the checkpoint.
I will. She is a little nervous today.
Tell her it is fine. Nobody here wants to make her day hard.
I will tell her that. Thank you.
One more thing. Do you have anything in your pockets?
My keys and my phone.
Take them out before the bins. It is faster.
Okay, and my belt.
Take off your belt too and your jacket.
Laptop out of the bag?
Yes, laptop out in its own bin.
Got it. Thank you very much.
You are all set. The next table is on the left.
This is our table. Take a bin.
How many bins do I need?
2 is good. Your jacket in one, your bag in the other.
Do I take my shoes off?
No, you keep your shoes on.
Really? Last time I took them off.
They changed that rule. Shoes stay on now.
That is better. What about a belt?
You are not wearing a belt today. You are fine.
My jacket is off. Now, where is my phone?
Put everything from your pockets in the bin. Phone, coins, keys.
Okay, and your laptop?
Laptop out of the bag. It goes in its own bin.
I don't have a laptop, only a tablet.
A tablet? Take it out too.
Done. What about my liquids?
Show me your bag. Okay, this is the part people forget.
I have shampoo, toothpaste, and hand cream.
Are they small?
They are small. I bought them at the store.
Good. Now put them all in one clear plastic bag.
Like this one?
That is perfect. Small bottles, one bag, and the bag must be clear.
Why so many rules for shampoo?
There's a name for it, the 3-1-1 rule.
311? Like a phone number?
No, 3 numbers, 3 rules.
Tell me the numbers.
3 is the size. Each bottle can be 100 milliliters. That's 3.4 ounces.
100 milliliters. That is small.
Next, one bag. One small clear bag for all your bottles.
And the last one?
One bag for each person, not 2 bags. 1.
100 milliliters, one bag, one person. That is easy.
The name tells you the rule. That's why people remember it.
I like that. Wait, David.
Yes?
My jam. Jam is not a liquid, right? It is food. It's thick. It stays in the jar.
I know, but I think they will stop it.
Stop my jam? It's a gift.
Put your bag on the belt. We'll see.
Next, please. Step forward.
Me?
Yes, you. Come this way.
Okay, sorry.
Stand on the yellow feet on the floor.
On these marks?
Yes, both feet on the yellow marks.
Like this?
Good. Now put your hands up like this.
Up over my head?
Yes. Make a triangle with your arms.
Okay, my arms are up.
Now don't move. 3 seconds.
I am not moving.
Done. Step out, please.
That was fast. Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Can you see my body on your screen?
No, I cannot see your body.
Really? What do you see?
Come here. Look at the screen.
It is a gray person, like a simple drawing.
Yes, it is the same drawing for everybody. Men, women, everybody.
The same picture for all people?
The same one. If the machine finds something, a yellow box comes up on that place.
And if there is nothing?
Then the screen only says OK, and you walk away.
That is very different from what I thought.
Many people think we see them. We don't.
I feel much better now. Thank you.
But look here, there is a yellow box on your back pocket.
My back pocket? Oh no, my phone.
Is your phone still in your pocket?
Yes, I am so sorry. I forgot it was there.
It is okay. It happens all day.
What do I do now?
Take it out. Put it in a bin on the table.
And then?
Then come back and stand on the marks again.
I have to go through the machine again?
Yes, one more time. It takes 10 seconds.
Okay, my phone is in the bin. I'm ready.
Hands up. Don't move.
Not moving.
Green, you are good. Have a nice flight.
Thank you so much.
Is this your bag? The blue one?
Yes, that one is mine.
I need to open it. Is that okay?
Yes, did I do something wrong?
No, the machine saw something inside. I will look at it with you.
Okay.
Please stand here, in front of me. Don't put your hands in the bag.
I understand.
I am putting on my gloves now.
Take your time.
Here it is, a jar.
That is strawberry jam. It is for my friend.
Let me read the label. 12 ounces.
Is that too big?
Yes, this is a liquid and it is too big.
A liquid, but it is jam. It is food.
I know, but here we call it a liquid.
It does not pour. It is thick.
Can you spread it on bread?
Well, yes, I can.
Then it is a liquid for us. If you can spread it or pour it, it is a liquid.
That is a very simple rule.
It is the easy way to remember. Jam, peanut butter, honey, yogurt, all liquids here.
Yogurt too?
Yogurt too, and soup and hand cream.
What about my small bottles?
Your bottles are fine. They are 100 milliliters, and they are in one clear bag. That is the 311 rule.
My friend told me that name today.
Right. 3.4 ounces in each bottle. That is 100 milliliters. One small clear bag. One bag for each person.
And my jam is 12 ounces.
12 ounces is about 350 milliliters. It is too big.
So I cannot take it.
Not through here. You have two choices.
What are they?
You can leave it with me, or you can mail it home.
My flight is in 40 minutes.
Then mailing it is hard today.
Okay, I will leave it. $6, goodbye.
I am sorry. I will close your bag now. Everything else is fine.
Thank you for telling me the rule.
Have a good flight.
I had to leave my jam there.
I saw it. I am sorry.
The officer was nice about it. He showed me the rule.
Sit down. Put your jacket on first.
My jacket, my tablet, my coins. I am getting dressed in front of everybody.
Everybody does it here. Nobody's looking at you.
My tablet goes in the bag. Okay, done.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, now it is in my hand, not in my pocket.
Good idea.
Oh, my bottle. It is still empty.
The water machine is right there, by the wall.
The blue one?
Yes. Put your bottle under it. It starts by itself.
It's working. And it's cold.
And it's free.
I threw my water away, and now I have water again.
That's airport life.
David, look at that line over there. Those people are so fast.
Which line?
That one. The sign says TSA pre-check. That man kept his belt on.
Yes, in that line you keep your belt on.
Nobody took off a jacket either.
A light jacket can stay on too.
What about a laptop?
The laptop stays in the bag. The little bag of liquid stays in the bag too.
They don't open anything?
They put the bag on the belt and walk through. That short line takes 3 minutes.
How do you get that? Can I buy it?
You sign up online and you pay. It's mostly for people who live in this country.
And then you are fast forever?
For a few years, then you do it again.
That sounds very good. Do you have it?
I do.
You have it? Then why are you in this slow line with me?
Your line was this one.
David?
It's only one line. Come on, let's find some food.
Wait, what is this store?
A shop by the gates. Water, snacks, gifts.
David, look at that shelf.
Which shelf?
The water. Those bottles are big. That one is 1 liter.
Yes.
But water is not allowed.
It is not allowed at the checkpoint. We are past the checkpoint now.
So the rule stops there?
The rule is only for that moment when you walk through security.
And after that, size does not matter?
Right. You can buy a big bottle here and take it on the plane.
Oh, wait. Look at that shelf.
What is it?
Jam. Strawberry jam. And the jars are big.
How big?
12 ounces. The same size as mine.
The same size.
They sell my jam here, after security.
Yes, it came in a truck, not through the scanner.
Can I take this on the plane?
You can. It is in your carry-on bag and you are after security.
Nobody will stop me?
You can take it on this flight. We are past security.
Then I will buy it again. Maria gets her jam.
How much is it?
$9, $3 more than the first one.
The airport price.
I paid for 2 jars and I only have 1. Now I know the rule.
Say it for me. What is the rule?
The 3-1-1 rule.
And what does it mean?
Small bottles, 1 bag, 1 person.
And what is a liquid?
If you can spread it or pour it, it is a liquid. So jam is a liquid.
You learned all of that in 20 minutes?
I learned it the hard way. Next time I will buy the gift after security.
Now you sound like me.
What is our gate?
B12. This way.
Let's go. I have my water, my jam, and gate B12.
Then we're ready.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. At an American airport, what is the name of the rule for liquids in your bag? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.